Okay, I just cleared the first chamber. We got umbrella on the exhaust. Now this positive seal on the intakes. Second head. Hey, happy Wednesday. Let me get these Dodge heads together. So if you're new here, we're building a 340 Dodge. So I'm building these heads. I put a full set of guides in them, hardened exhaust seats, and I did a bunch of port work. I got some stainless steel valves, comp springs with matching retainers. I got umbrellas going on the exhaust and positive Viton seals going on the intakes. So I tried to put these together the other day and ran into a little issue. I've already checked all the stem heights with this. Let me show you how I use it. So I'll just put this exhaust valve in. This goes on. 954. We want a maximum of 70, so we're good. Now I need to measure the installed height with this. This reads just like a micrometer. 100 thousandths per revolution. So it goes onto the valve, retainer, and then just install the keepers. Looks like I'm assembling the head. And then I crank this up. One inch, 770. So these springs install at inch 650. It's not going to work with my setup. So I just can't stack that many shims on here. I could cut these and run a spring cup, or I could replace these standard locks with some offset ones. So I ordered a set, and these are color-coded gold to let you know they're not a standard lock. These are 60 thousandths, so now I'll just need one shim on the heads. Hey, I forgot to mention that I also surfaced these heads. We're coming back at it. Okay, I just cleared the first chamber. Looking good so far. Let's see what it's like in the middle. Alright, we're just coming across the middle. Looks pretty good. How about a little slow motion? Don't get sick. Just come off the end. We got her. Hey, and let's not forget, I did a magic paint job on them. Now let's get some paint on this. Hey, why not have a little fun while you're working, huh? Let me get these things together. Okay, this is Clevite bearing guard. Okay, so I got some shims here, 30s and 15s, and I've gone through and measured each one of them and shimmed them accordingly. And you can see here on the last one, we got 1,650. Okay, time for the seals. I like to put a little oil on here on the stem. We got umbrella on the exhaust. And this positive seal on the intakes. And I'll just take a hammer and tap it down. We do all of them. Second head. All right, I am ready to assemble. How about a little magic assembly? All right, now's my favorite part. I get to hit it with the ray gun. Hey, this is a vacuum tester made by Sue, and it's got a rubber pad on it. And you just cover the end like the port, and that tells you if the valves are sealing. So let's check them out. So I just put it on the port, pull the trigger. Good. Now for the intakes, this pad is too small. It just unscrews. The smart ass in the background. Screw on a bigger one. Alright, I'm just about done. I better do something about these holes. Came out beautiful. So the block has been parallel decked, bored 30 over, and finished with a plateau stone. We're just about ready to assemble. There you go, one step closer to finishing this 340. On the next video, I will be balancing the connecting rods. So you'll have to come back and see me then. In the meantime, you guys be nice to each other. Bye.